Yeah, hello everyone. I'm Athar Chauhan and welcome to the explanation video of section C of internal test 3. We are talking about the set C, which was allotted to me. So section C is all about matching type questions and where we match concepts to the correct descriptions. Let's break each question down in a simple and much clearer way. So what section C actually covers? It covers data cleaning, it covers machine learning philosophies, it covers deep learning terminologies, it covers Hadoop ecosystem tools. By matching each concept to its correct explanation, we strengthen our understanding of these core ideas. So let's begin with our question number 26 about data cleaning essentials. Question number 26 deals with common data issues and their solutions. In the correct matching order is A is to 2, B is to 3, C is to 1, and D is to 4. Here's the simple breakdown of our question here. So missing values corresponds to imputation. We fill in the missing entries using estimated values so that the data set stays usable. Outliers corresponds to sanity check. Outliers need to be checked. Are they errors or real unusual values? Compatibility corresponds to unit conversion. It features use different units like meters and kilometers. We convert them to be consistent. Artifacts corresponds to correctable problems. These are unwanted distortions or errors from data collection and they can usually be fixed. So good data cleaning ensures our models learn from high quality and reliable data. Let's move to question number 27. Based on machine learning philosophies, machine learning isn't just math, it's also guided by important principles. The correct matching here is A is to 2, B is to 1, C is to 3, D is to 4. And here's what each means. So, just a sec. Yeah. Simplest explanation corresponds to Occam's razor. The idea that the simplest solution is usually the best. The probabilistic forecast resembles to Nate Silver method. He is known for making accurate predictions using probabilities. No universal algorithm corresponds to no free lunch theorem. No single algorithm works best for every problem. And last, trade off under overfit bias variance. This principle reminds us to balance simplicity and complexity for a good performance. These philosophies guide how we choose models and evaluate performance. Let's move on to question number 28 now. This question matches deep learning components with their functions. The correct match is A is to 4, B is to 1, C is to 3, and D is to 2. Now, here's the breakdown of this question. So, we're talking about neuron. Neuron corresponds to a weighted sum outfit. A neuron takes input and produces a weighted sum. Activation corresponds to non-linearity. Activation helps the model learn complex patterns by adding non-linear behavior. Dropout resembles to regularization. Dropout randomly turns off neurons during training, helping reduce overfitting. Optimizer resembles to changes weights. The optimizer updates model weights to minimize loss. These components are at the core of how neural network learn. So let's move on to our last question of this section, question number 29, based on Hadoop ecosystem tools. This question checks your familiarity with major Hadoop tools. The correct match is A is to 2, B is to 4, C is to 3, and D is to 1. Now let's understand them one by one. So Hive corresponds to SQL-like queries. Hive lets us run SQL-style queries on huge data sets. Pig resembles to scripting for transformations. Pig helps process large data using simple scripts. Scoop resembles to RDBMS to HDFS. Scoop transfers data between relational database and Hadoop. Uzi resembles to workflow scheduler. Uzi manages and schedules Hadoop jobs. These tools together make big data processing efficient and scalable. So, yeah, to summarize our section C, data cleaning involves matching issues to the right solutions. ML philosophies guide model selection and interpretation. Deep learning terminology helps us understand how neural networks work. And Hadoop tools enable large scale data processing. So, this concludes our explanation video of section C.